channel. Today I am going to take the class of class 11 in that account subjects. Okay, accountancy. I am going to teach you. The first chapter is of the introductions to the accounting. So what do you mean by accounting? Okay, according to the American Institute, that as the accounting is as the art of recording. Art of recording, what do you mean that? Okay, I will explain everything. Art of recording, classifying and summarizing significant manner and in terms of money and transactions and events which are part of the at least of financial characteristics and interpreting the results. Okay, in that we can learn that art of recording means some types of records we keep. Okay, at home if we spend some amount or we some purchase some household items, in that also you say that your mama is writing about, okay, today is the date, and we keep the records. Today purchase this much amount has gone, this much is left. Okay, the saving is left, expense we have did. That type of records we are roughly doing at home. Okay, if for the business also they give some records. Okay, that types of records. And classifying means if for the business purpose, if it is a what type of classification, is a cash transaction or the business transaction or the debit or credit one, that type or different transactions are there. Okay, we are giving by cash or check, whatever is there, that type of classify we have to do it. Summarizing means the whole year in the business, the whole year whatever we have did the work, means in the records we keep, that we will write in the short, some summarizing shortly. Significant manner in terms of money or the transactions. Okay, business we are doing already with the transactions with the money only. Monetary terms are only there in that. Okay, for that. Now how the accounting process are going on. Okay, accounting process, I will write here accounting process. How we do the accounting process? Okay, that first I will teach you. That communicating accounting information from here, communicating accounting informations. For some business transactions we need the communicating this. Okay, accounting this we have to do. Now this will come from here, we will do the decision makers. Decision makers means we will do externally or internally, we will use the help of the users. Okay, external and internal users. And then from here we go for the economic events. From economic events we move to the accounting process. Okay, see, first the accounting process is coming from there. The communicating accounting information is there. Communicating accounting information, some things we are communicating regarding the accounts. Okay, decision makers, whether we have to whether the business will go for the profit or loss, that we will see. From that we will go for the economic event, and from the process is starting like this. Okay, now I will again explain you the definitions. Okay, accounting can be defined as the process of identifying. First, which is process of identifying. First process is of identifying. Second is of measuring. Third, recording. Fourth, after recording, what we will do? We will communicating the required information. Okay, communicating the required information. Communications will come. After the informations, we will go for the what we will do? Some organizations. Okay, relating to the economic events of an organizations. Organizations we will say we will not write here, only we will see the process only. Okay, accounting can be defined as the process of identifying, measuring, recording and communicating. In account, the identifying means we have to identify whether it is a cash transactions or business transaction is there or any other transactions we have to make it. Okay, that we have to identify. Measuring, we have to see that it is a monetary terms or not, that we have to see. Recording, we have to keep some records. Okay, in future it will be required, so recording is there. Communicating is also the that I have explained you. Okay, these all the intentions, interrelated uses of such informations are there. So in that first, the data economics events are there, identifications, measuring, recording and communicating organization, interested uses of information is there. Okay, and I will explain in the other video what do you mean by identify. I will give the full short details of the identify one by one. Okay, so that if I will take a short videos, you can understand. Okay students, so just see, watch full videos and understand these things, what is meant by accounting. Thank you. Hello friends, now in the introduction part, the second video is about the, I have written the identification. Okay, you means the accounting is a systematic method. Okay, systematic process. We won't go for the randomly. Okay, we won't take any transactions from here and there and we keep the records, but it goes, accounting means it goes for the which transactions randomly, no. Okay, so like this, I am going to explain you the first process, identification. Okay, identification, it means the identification of identify, we have to do the identify of the transaction. Okay, it means determining what transactions to record. Okay, that we have to identify events which are to be recorded. Okay, what we have to involve to identify the events which are recorded. It is a business or other financial transactions that we have to identify. Okay, whatever we have to do. It involves observing the activities and selecting events that can be considered as a financial and related to the organization. For the example, when a company makes a sale or purchase, so we see whether it will be the cash on purchase, cash or credit, or it pays the salary, it is known as to be recorded. Okay, that we have to identify it. Understood? So for this, when a company, if we are going to purchase anything or company buys anything, so first record, it will be the sale. We are selling some products or we are purchasing some product. For that it will be the cash or credit. Okay, by cash we are purchasing or by giving some credit. Okay, by credit we have, or we are paying some salary, that is recorded to the books of accounts. That is the identifications of the. Okay, it is the first process will be the identification. Means value of human resources changes. Okay, value of human resources changes of personnel. It changes in managerial process policies, or it will the appointment of the personnel are important, but none of the records will be there in the book of account. Okay students, this much you are understood now. The next video I will teach you about the what do you mean by the measuring, what is the process of the accounting measurement. Okay, thank you.